there's one. Watch your way. They'll come.
Hopefully it comes on me.
They'll come. They've been crazy, Kay.
You're so lucky you got a hold one.
When she fell on the deck?
Did she ever come back alive?
Yeah, I think she did. I think she just got stunned.
You're so lucky you got a hold one. I want to hold one so bad.
Hummingbird. I filled that one yesterday, and I filled that one this morning, and look how much they drank.
With the low one?
I filled that one yesterday.
The low one?
Yep.
They probably...
Come on, Paris.
It's so cute, they go.
They stick their beaks in, but they got big long tongues. Come on, baby. Come on out. Say hi, Kay. Hi, baby.
Hi, Paris.
Hi, baby. Don't video me.
Paris. Hummingbirds.
Zoom in. Can you zoom in?
Not in videos.
Go slow. Oh, oh, here they come. See him? See him?
I want to sit.
Here, here. Here. Go ahead. They'll come. Right there. Sit still. I'll sit down and sit still. Come on, Paris. Hold your hand. Hold your camera still, okay? Don't move. Don't land.
There's one. See it?
Yeah.
There's a dragonfly.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Put your arm down. She's right there.
Do you see the
Put your
dragonfly?
arm down. You're scaring her. Look. Look.
They have such long feet, but their feet are really cute.
They got big giant.
The one with the rednecks are boys, right?
They're the boys.
Because I saw a boy. Are the babies really cute?
You never see babies.
I mean, if it's-
I know. I don't ever know where the babies go.
It's probably miserable for the mom to be pregnant with them. With tons of them with the beaks in there.
You gotta be teeny, teeny. Go behind you. Be still. Still.
Wasn't that the bully?
I don't know. The big one that
Is the bully still around?
one of them sits up on the hook. They all
What did we name him again?
He was the fat one, remember? He was the bully.
What did we name him? I forget.
And we just called him the bully.
And we called him Snagger.
I don't know.
I'm going to get one more picture of it again. See my text. Fox. It chases it and comes right back. Whenever it takes sits, it goes away. Isn't that weird?
She went on Papa's gladiola out in the garden.
Like right on that pedal.
Zipping all over. It's crazy.
What if a hummingbird fell in the pool?
Wow, so cool.
Does hummingbirds ever fall in the pool?
I never had a hummingbird fall.
I'm surprised they don't leave them in this cold. I would like keep my phone out here all day right there so I can get like really good pictures.
You hear them chirping?
They're fighting.
They're over on the little trees over there. That's where their nests must be. They're always over there.
Yeah. I'll come back to videos in a few seconds.